This is a guide on replacing an LCD on a Panasonic Toughbook CF-54. This is one of them police notebooks. It is specifically designed to withstand or enhance the excessive use of force. Usually the LCD breaks only if you try to take it apart. To begin, turn off the laptop and remove the power cord. Flip the laptop over and remove its battery on the right side. There may also be an optional battery on the left side. Proceed on removing the rubber bumpers around the bezel. There are 2 at the top and 2 in the middle. A typical precision screwdriver is useless against a Toughbook. You will need a tough screwdriver to open it up. Remove 8 phillips screws from the bezel, 2 at the top corners, 2 from the middle, and 4 more at the bottom edge. Remove another 4 screws from the top edge of the display assembly. Remove the 2 plastic Wi-Fi antenna covers from the top edge. Flip the laptop over and remove 2 more screws securing the hinge covers on the bottom edge. Remove the hinge covers. There are 2 more hidden screws located behind a black sticker where the webcam could be. Remove the sticker and 2 phillips screws underneath. At this point, the display back cover can be removed. Proceed with disconnecting the LCD video cable. Pull back on the clear plastic cover. It is attached to the video connector securing bracket. Gently disconnect the video cable. Peel off plastic tape securing the webcam cable at the top. Peel back the webcam cable. If you try to pull up the screen from the backside, it will split into layers and break because it is firmly glued in. You will need to use a plastic pick to break the glue from the front side. Go around the perimeter ungluing the LCD from the frame. At this point, the broken LCD can be removed. Clean up the glue strips and place them back where they need to be. Put the new LCD beside the old panel and begin transferring the dampening foam from the old screen. Once the new panel is fully outfitted, remove the protective film from the front and place it back into the frame. Route all of the Wi-Fi coaxial cables back into the appropriate guides. It is important that none of the cables get pinched by the back cover. Replace the webcam cable. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Close the connector securing bracket. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Pat the edges of the screen to catch the adhesive. Guide the video cable into its channels. Replace the back cover, making sure no cables are being pinched. Replace 2 phillips screws near where the webcam could be. At this point, the new LCD can be tested. Reconnect the power and turn the laptop on. If the startup graphics appear, the LCD is working. Shut down the laptop. Clean up the inner edge of the bezel from any protruding adhesive. Replace the 2 Wi-Fi antenna covers at the top edge of the display. Replace the 4 phillips screws securing the covers. Replace 2 phillips screws at the top corners. Replace 2 more screws on the side edges. Replace 4 phillips screws at the bottom edge. Replace 2 rubber bumpers at the top corners. Replace 2 rubber bumpers in the middle. Replace the 2 plastic hinge covers. Flip the laptop over and replace the 2 phillips screws. Slide in the battery, reconnect the power, turn the laptop on, and replace the black sticker where the webcam would be, and we're done.